The expression negative the quantity 2 1/3 equals 1 2/4. Let's find the unknown. First, arrange the equation so the unknown is on one side. Convert any mixed numbers into fractions. This step makes calculations easier. Multiply each fraction by the other denominator to find a common denominator. Now, calculate the multiplications. We're almost there. Find the common denominator and bring it all together. Next, convert it back to a mixed number. Break down 46 into 36 plus 10. Separate it into a whole number and a remainder. Turn the whole fraction into a whole number and connect it to the mixed number form. Simplify your answer as much as possible. You're doing great! And that's how we solve the question. Great job!